See, there's power when you're in the right room. Walang Timothy, kapatid, kung hindi siya malapit kay Paul. Walang double portion na marireceive si Elisha kung hindi siya malapit kay Elijah. See, if we're gonna think about it, even when Jesus was in the room, miracles happened. There was a couple na kinasal, naubusan sila ng wine, but because Jesus was in the room, wine multiplied. When Jesus is in the room, anything can change, kapatid. Praise God, nandito ka sa room na to because the presence of the Lord is here. Maraming room dapat tayo napupuntahan Dapat nandun tayo sa Starbucks room, sa SM room. Pero kapatid, andito ka ngayon. And better is in the house of the Lord than 1,000 elsewhere. I'd rather be a doorkeeper in the house of God than 1,000 elsewhere. There's power